Hi, this is Fazana. I'm really excited to make this particular video because I actually realized something years after I started maths tutoring, and I've been really excited to share it with you, share it with somebody. Students find it quite difficult to remember the advanced trigonometry formula, so I hope this helps and makes you more fond of the formulae. Like I know where you came from. Let's have a look, shall we? Okay, so the area rule in advanced trigonometry is half AB sine C. Okay, I hope you're okay with knowing how to label a triangle. If it's not a right angle, the side is always opposite the actual angle. So that would be A, that would be B, opposite angle B, and that would be C. So as long as you've got a V, then it's half AB sine C, or half AC sine B, or half BC sine A. Okay, so as long as you've got the V. Okay, all right, so that's the area of the triangle when it's not a right angle triangle. When it's a right angle triangle, and let's try and label it very much like that. So we've got the C there, and we've got A and B. Okay, so if we labeled it like a non-right angle triangle, that would be A, that would be B, and that would be C. And we know the area of a triangle is half base times height. So can you see you've got half of A times B. Okay, so we've got the half AB, which is exactly the same as that. Now, if we add on times sine C, then we've actually got sine 90, because that's angle C. And sine 90 is actually 1. So can you see you've got half times A times B times 1. So you can tell we don't actually need to add that on, because it's always going to be the same as just half times base times height. Yeah, so these two formula are exactly the same. Yeah, isn't that cool? Okay, hope you're as excited as I am. Okay, the cosine rule is, if you want to find that side there, then again, as long as you've got your V, so as long as you've got that, and that, you've got A squared plus B squared minus, then in brackets, 2 times A times B times cos C. Okay? Now, you can tell Pythagoras' theorem tells you exactly the same. So again, let's label our triangle. So that's A, B, C. And that's side A, side B, side C. Okay? So if we applied that formula to this, and we went minus 2AB cos C, then cos 90 is actually 0. Okay, so we'd just be going C squared equals A squared plus B squared minus 0. So you can tell we don't actually need this part. Okay, so you can tell the formulae are exactly the same. All right, I'm getting more excited than you. Okay, and the sine rule. Okay, let's label our triangle here. So you've got A, B, C. Okay, so here in advanced trigonometry, you've got A divided by sine A is B divided by sine B. You could also have sine C divided by sine C. So it just means a side divided by the opposite angle is always the same as another side divided by the opposite angle. Yeah, let's try doing it this way. I've drawn a triangle with that being 30 degrees and that being 60 degrees, just so that it's quite easy to find exact values. Yeah. And anytime I draw a triangle like this, I always make that side 1, that side 2. So let's try and find out what this side is using Pythagoras. So because that's your hypotenuse, we're actually going to go AC equals the square root of 2 squared minus 1 squared. So that's actually the square root of 3, and we call it surd 3. Okay, all right, so let's see if this works now. We'll label our triangles, so that's A, that's B, and that's C. Okay, so let's see if it works. So where's our A? Okay, so A, which is 1, over sine 30, and when you watch the videos on the exact values, you'll know that sine 30 is actually a half. So we've got 1 divided by a half will be equal to B, which is surd 3, divided by sine 60, and sine 60 is actually surd 3 over 2. Okay, please watch the videos on the exact values, because at GCSEs, in the 9-to-1 board, you actually have to know these off by heart. Okay, so here we're going 1 divided by a half. So we know how to divide fractions. We just go copy opposite, opposite. So I just say coup. So you've got 1 times the opposite is 2 over 1. So that would be 2. And over here, we'd be going surd 3 divided by surd 3 over 2. And again, we do copy opposite, opposite. So we're going surd 3 times 2 over surd 3. So that cancels out, and you just get left with 2. So can you see? The sine rule also applies to right angle triangles. Yeah? All right. Okay, that's all for now. Wasn't that fun? Keep working hard. It's so worth it. Learning new things and studying for exams, regardless of what subject it is, makes us grow in character and mental capacity. Remember, keep working hard, okay? And you're in control all the time, every single moment of your life. It's all about choices. Make good choices. Yeah? Lovely. All right. Until next time, take care. Bye.